Good day everyone. Now I'm gonna show you how to install screen protector to a GoPro Hero 8 camera. So this is the box of the tempered glass. I bought this online from Lazada actually. And this is my camera. I really love and this is really valuable to me, so I wanted to protect from any type of scratch. That's why I decided to install screen protector to it. So here what we have in the box, we have wipes, we have dry and wet wipes, but I think I don't need this because I have my cleaning kit. This one is the glass for the lens here. We're gonna put it here. And of course we have other glass for the wide back screen. Okay, this one. And this is where we're going to put it. This is where we view our photos and do some manipulation to our camera. And this is a dust absorber. So we are going to use it in order to remove all dusts from our screen. And this is my cleaning kit. So it has a, I don't know how to call it, blower, and then it has a cleaning cloth. So we're gonna blow off the dusts. So in the front, and then I have this pen, and it has two ends. This is a cleaning pen. This is the one end. I think it's a scrubber, and this one is a brush. And we're going to use it to again remove all remaining dust from our camera. Okay. Okay, so here we are now scrubbing the screen so that fingerprints and any type of trace will be removed. And of course, in the front screen. Okay, here it's already clean and free from fingerprint or any type of trace. But again, to make very sure that fingerprints or traces will be removed from our screens, we're using this cloth. And here, now we're going to remove the film so that we can install it now in our camera. Okay, so just make sure that it is in place. So let's start in the one end and let it slide there. Okay, okay, it will attach on its own, but of course to make sure that it is securely attached to our monitor, we're going to add some force using the cloth. Okay, there. So this is just to make sure that the tempered glass is securely attached to the screen of our camera. Okay, slide force, slide force. Okay, so now we're going to use the dust absorber for our lens. Remember that this is a very important part, so we have to make sure that no dust will be or fingerprint will be left from the lens. Okay, so we're going to remove this film again, and we have to do the same procedure. We have to put it in place. On one end we have to start and then let it slide again. Okay, there. So again, to make sure that it is securely attached to the screen, so we have to apply some force again, using this cloth. Actually, this cloth is from the kit. Then here we have successfully installed the screen protectors, and now we're going to try if the tempered glass will not affect the functionality of our camera, especially that GoPro is touchscreen. Okay, so let's set the time. Okay, there. So our tempered glass does not affect the functionality of the screen. So you can see it. Oh wow, there we have it. Yes, we made it. Thank you for watching.